Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what are the prerequisites for building a Selenium Cucumber automation framework? Let me answer. First of all, we need to install Java. Okay. If you are going to build this Selenium Cucumber automation framework using Java programming and all, then we need to have this Java software. Otherwise, we have to install other programming languages, softwares. Okay. For now, I'll take one example that is Java programming. So I have to install and configure Java in my machine. That is the first thing. Then I need to download and install any of the IDEs. Okay. Editors where you can write the code. Okay. Selenium automation code with the Java programming, etc., Cucumber and all. Okay. So we can either go with Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ. I prefer Eclipse IDE, okay, as most of the people prefer. Whereas IntelliJ is also preferred by most of the people, and it's kind of advanced editor. To get started, Eclipse IDE is a better one. And IntelliJ is for some people like, kind of core people who need some advanced stuff, okay? Like it's an Android and iPhone kind of stuff, okay? So it's up to you which you want to choose. I prefer Eclipse IDE, okay? Then Cucumber Eclipse IDE plugin need to be installed. Once you have this Eclipse IDE, then you need to create this project. And before you create the feature files, okay, if you don't install that plugin, Cucumber Eclipse IDE plugin, and these feature files, when you are trying to create, will give you some error saying that there's no proper plugin installed, okay, to open this feature file. So it's better before creating the project itself, you install this plugin. Okay, how to install in Eclipse IDE? After launching the Eclipse IDE, go to help, Eclipse Marketplace will give you this dialog. Once this find box get enabled, let's wait for the find box to get enabled. Now here, search for Cucumber, and you will get that plugin suggested by this Eclipse IDE, like Cucumber Eclipse IDE plugin with this Cucumber icon. So here installed is coming because I already have installed, and that's the reason these feature files that I created in this project are recognized with the help of Cucumber icon. Okay, otherwise you are going to get some errors. You'll not be able to create the feature files properly. Okay, so that is another prerequisite for building a Selenium Cucumber automation framework. Then we need to create a Maven project or Gradle project, whatever you prefer. Most of the people use a Maven project. And with Maven project, you will get this pom.xml file by default. You'll get this pom.xml file by default where you have to add some dependencies. Since it is a framework related to Selenium, Cucumber, automation and all, we need to add the dependencies for Cucumber first of all. Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, Cucumber Core. Search for these things in mvnrepository.com and you will find them from IO Cucumber. The latest versions are at IO Cucumber. Okay. So if you go to this MVN repository, let me show you. Once I open the browser here, and in that, I'll take you to one website that is the MVN repository from where you will get the dependencies. So here, search for Cucumber. Search for Cucumber and a lot of things related to Cucumber will come. See Cucumber Java from IO Cucumber. Don't go for InfoCube. This is the old one. IO Cucumber is the latest. Go with the latest. Cucumber Java is the one. Since I am using Java programming, I will go with Cucumber Java. And I am using the testing framework as JUnit. So I'll go with Cucumber JUnit from IO Cucumber. And Cucumber Core, one more thing, Cucumber Core from again IO Cucumber. These three dependencies I have to go inside and take the latest version, latest common version across three things, and then copy this Maven dependency tags and go to the pom.xml file. Here, open this and go to the dependencies and paste it here like Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, Cucumber Core, and make sure that they have the same version. Okay, whatever the version you give for Cucumber Java, give the same thing for Cucumber JUnit, give the same thing for Cucumber Core. Okay. And apart from that, what else or what other dependencies we need for building this Selenium Cucumber automation framework is testing framework is required. Either you can go with JUnit or TestNG. Most of the people with Cucumber projects go with JUnit, and there are people who also go with TestNG. Okay. So JUnit, if you want JUnit, when you create this Maven project, and if you are using the archetype or template for the Maven template, like Maven archetype quick start, then this JUnit dependency will automatically come. Otherwise, if it is not coming, go to the MVN repository and search for JUnit and get this version and print it here, similar to the Cucumber things. Okay. Now, apart from that, we also need to add Selenium. Okay, Selenium library or Selenium dependency. Again, we have to go to same YAML repository, search for Selenium space Java. Okay, you'll get the dependencies, latest version you take and copy paste here and save the project. All the libraries for this Cucumber, testing framework and Selenium, okay, will be automatically downloaded and configured in this project. Okay, so these are the things. These are the prerequisites I can say. Okay, starting from Java software, then IDE, then Cucumber Eclipse IDE plugin, Maven project dependencies, Cucumber testing framework dependency, and Selenium dependencies. Okay, so hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.